Most users interact with Gemini through a simplified chat interface, but Google AI Studio provides direct access to the underlying infrastructure and the specific settings that control how the model reasons. While consumer-facing AI tools often require a $20 monthly subscription to access their most capable models, Google offers these same developer-grade tools for free. To build a functioning content pipeline, we will first standardize AI outputs using system instructions, then generate multi-character voiceovers, and finally connect the workspace to external tools via API keys. Head to aistudio.google.com to begin. Note that you will need a modern desktop browser to access the full suite of features, as a mobile application does not currently exist. Navigating this interface is the first step in moving your AI tasks out of a temporary chat window and into a repeatable process. Open the playground from the left sidebar. This unified workspace is where you select your model and adjust parameters like temperature or safety settings in the right-hand panel. Standard prompts are temporary inputs. A system instruction, however, acts as a persistent filter layer. This layer ensures that every subsequent prompt you send follows a specific set of rules, whether you are defining a coding style, a visual persona, or a strict output format that must remain consistent over hundreds of messages. In the System Instructions box, enter Act as an expert YouTube producer. Format every response as a 2-column script and include bracketed visual cues for camera angles and lighting. To test the rule, provide a basic subject in the main prompt box, such as write a script for a video about renewable energy. The model now automatically applies the 2-column structure and the bracketed camera cues. You no longer have to remind the AI of your preferred formatting for every new request. If you need a response in under 2 seconds for quick testing, select the Flash model. Use the Pro model only when you require complex reasoning or multi-step analysis for your final output. By utilizing these persistent instructions, you ensure that any content you generate is ready for production without manual reformatting. Once your script is generated, you can convert that text into audio by selecting a text-to-speech or TTS model from the drop-down menu. Copy the dialogue from your script and paste it into the TTS input field. This interface allows you to assign separate voices to your text. You can designate Speaker 1 for a narrator and Speaker 2 for a guest to create a natural, multi-voice dialogue. Check your settings and turn off the structured output toggle. If this is left on, the model may return code-based JSON data rather than the speech-ready audio file you need. Run the model to generate the audio track. Unlike standard robotic voices, these models are optimized for precision pacing and emotional expression, rendering your text into a finished audio asset. This workflow allows you to move from a raw text idea to a multi-voice audio segment within the same platform, ready for use in a podcast or video. To use these capabilities outside of the browser, navigate to the Get API Key tab in the left sidebar. An API key is a unique identifier that allows an external program to send requests to Google's models and receive the response without using the AI Studio website. This connection allows you to trigger your saved system instructions and model configurations from automation platforms like Make or N8N. Click Create API Key in New Project to generate your credential. Copy the string of characters and save them in a secure location. Treat this key like a password. Do not hard-code it into public software or share it on screen, as anyone with the key can use your allocated model quota. If your workflow requires external data, such as inventory from a database or shipping info, use the Secrets Manager in the Settings menu to store those credentials securely. Managing your API keys and secrets allows you to transform these individual steps into a scalable application that runs independently of your manual input. You have now established a persistent persona to format your scripts, generated a multi-voice audio file, and configured the credentials needed to automate the entire process.